another video. So I know it's been a very long time since I have posted any video. So I have decided to make a video on skincare today. So today I'll be showing you my winter skincare routine for these days. So most of the people don't even know what is their actual skin type, and they use like products which doesn't suit their skin type. It may cause some problems like itching, dryness or acne, etc. So to prevent those, I'll suggest to check the skin type first and then choose your the skincare products. In this video, I'll let you know how to find your personal skin type. So without any further ado, let's begin with today's video. So there are basically 5 types of skin, like the oily skin, the dry skin, the combination skin, the normal skin and the sensitive skin. To know the actual skin type, you just have wash your face with any kind of face wash that you have, and let it be for like 30 minutes, and don't use any kind of moisturizer, toner, nothing. If you feel dryness all over your face, then you have dry skin. And if you face oil like hair everywhere on your face, then you have oily skin. So let's talk about the combination skin type. Firstly, you have to know about the T-zone and C-zone. This particular portion is known as T-zone, and this portion is known as C-zone. So if you feel oil in T-zone and feel dryness in C-zone, then you have to know that you have combination skin. If you have normal skin, you will not even need any moisturizer to moisturize your skin. It will just moisturize itself. And if you are a sensitive skin type person like me, you will face a lot of acne problems like me. So let me tell you about my skin type. So I have oily and acne prone skin. So moving on to the skincare portion, that which I use to prevent the oils and to prevent the acne on my skin. So recently I have just upgraded my skincare because it's winter. So you have to change your skincare products when it is winter or when it is summers. I'll be showing you my winter skincare routine. So the very first step that I follow is to cleanse my face with a mild cleanser, because I have acne prone skin, so I don't use a face wash that have scrub particles that may itch my acne. So I basically use the face wash from Episoft face wash that I use, and this is the Episoft cleansing lotion. So the texture of a face wash is more like watery and non-greasy, non-oily. That is very gentle, and if you have some makeup on your face, it will remove it as well. Just rub it for 20 to 30 seconds and just wash it off. So I have just washed my face and it feels so soft, as you can see. It feels so soft and plump. So the next step is a moisturizer. I don't use toner when I'm using moisturizer. Like I don't use toner and moisturizer together. But when I feel my skin so much oily, I use toner, not moisturizer. But today I'll be showing you the new moisturizer that I got. So the new moisturizer that I'll be talking about is this moisturizer. This is the Lakme 925 Vitamin C Day Cream. This is basically day cream, but you can even use it in the evening time as well. And you can even use it as your sunscreen. Okay. Next and last tip for our skin is to use sunscreen. So today I'll be using this particular sunscreen from Mamaearth. This is their Hydra Gel sunscreen. It is very hydrating, and it will not even leave the white cast on your skin. So it says it is paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and suits all skin types. The ingredients are mentioned behind this bottle. See the texture of it. Please apply sunscreen even it is summer days or winters, because sunscreen is very important. Nowadays UV rays are not as pure as that previous days, so we should always apply sunscreen before going out. So last but not the least, we will not forget our lips. We should always moisturize our lips as well. So I'll be using today this lip balm from Mamaearth. This is their cherry tinted 100% natural lip balm, and it is one of my favorite lip balms.